In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Shibnobi, Shinja, right on FEGex right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is what the platform looks like when you buy it on FEGex, and we're going to do this very simple and very easy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now, the first thing you want to do is go right to Shibnobi.com, and they do have a list of what places you can buy it: Uniswap, FEGex, and Hotbit. We've done videos over these already. Now it's time to do it on FEGex. So when you click on FEGex, it will direct you to a page that looks just like this. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to connect your wallet at the top right corner. I'm going to use the Metamask option. Once that's done, you read a little bit of this information. It's basically talking about trading is done at your own risk, and you click on yes. Now, it also says you have selected trading pair of Ethereum and Shinja. Do you want to proceed? Yes. So once you do that, it automatically connects that together, which is brilliant. This is really good for new investors that really may not understand how to pair Ethereum and Shinja together. Now, what I like about this is it does show you the trades and the buys for the last, I don't know, 10 or 12 transactions. So I do like this here. So, and also you have a chart as well. So you have a 1 hour, 4 hour, and a 12-hour chart here, just to give you some information. But the main thing you want to do is the middle area right here where it says exchange. Now, when I hooked up my MetaMask, I can go ahead and swap Ethereum for Shinja. Now, in the previous video, I showed you how to buy Ethereum right from MetaMask. It's very simple and very easy. You can do that. You also can buy right on the actually home page of Shinja that says right there by connecting your MetaMask together. So I think that's really cool. So let's get back to this. So since I already have Ethereum already in my wallet, I can begin swapping it for Shinja. Now, what I want to go ahead and do is make sure I have enough to cover the gas fee. So if I did this amount here, this is how much Shinja I'm going to get. The slippage tolerance, it says auto, price impact, and then the minimum amount of Shinja. When I swap this in here, my MetaMask notification does come down, and this is how much gas fees currently I'll be charged, which is right there. And then this is the total of the entire transaction, and I can go ahead and proceed with this. What happens is when I confirm this, this will go into my wallet of MetaMask. Very simple and very easy. So that's how you would do that. And so, and then usually the transaction would take probably a couple of minutes. Don't panic and do not necessarily exit out this page because you don't want anything to happen very wrong. Now, if I click on chart here, this does direct me to the charts.FEGex, and it does show me the Shinja USD chart right here. And this is what we currently are right now. And if you click on the settings here, the settings basically says the auto slippage. I usually keep this check, and then everything else here remains the same. So once again, when I connect this, I can do maximal, or I can just use a amount right here, swap my tokens, make sure this come across the MetaMask notification, and then from here I can proceed, and then these actually Shinja tokens goes right to my MetaMask wallet. One more area I want to show you here is that you can see the actually BNB price and the Ethereum price right here. That's something to kind of know if you want to understand what Ethereum and BNB actually value is. But the main concern was going to be this, all this in the middle, the chart, and also the trades. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Take this very slow to make sure you got the pairing correctly, which you should do if you're getting off from this page that's right here. And then also make sure you have enough Ethereum gas fees that's covering the actually transaction, and you should be good to go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.